Excuse me, Your Honor. I believe I need co-host capabilities to choose a guest to chat to.
You do. I will give you that, though.
Oh, they're connected, Your Honor.
Are they connected? Okay, go ahead with.
El señor Eduardo, ¿me escucha? ¿Me escucha, señor Eduardo? Yes, he hears.
Can you get us, just make sure that's him?
Su nombre, por favor, en voz alta para que lo escuchamos.
Eduardo García Ramos.
He said his name is Eduardo Garcia Ramos.
Very well. When Madam Williams Law comes back, we can get going.
I'm back, Your Honor.
All right. Anyway, let's start. One, two.
Officer was trying to see if they would be on Zoom or
Zoom. You can come in. You want to open up?
the officer come in.
Yeah. You want to
Okay.
open up the door?
They said I'm not allowed to until Monday because they got me doing training for this week and last week.
Okay.
Yeah. No, they won't let me.
I understand that.
Can you ask Seymour to come in here? Cause I did ask him on my way in. He's standing in the hall.
Yeah, he's in the hallway.
Yeah, tell him, to come.
Okay.
Cause I did ask.
All right, Lake Lapse.
Thank you so
Lake
much.
Lapse. Is that James Lake?
Like, yes.
Officer can come in.
That's
Officer,
James
we
Lake?
got somebody present in, well, not the officer.
If they show up.
Yeah, if the defendant show.
Okay.
Defendant might be in Zoom.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
And then C. Who is C? Unmute yourself, please, and state your name. Morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Who is C?
Deep Lewis here.
Unmute yourself, state your name, or
We
we'll
not,
put you out.
none, no relations, but I'm
Is
Mark
that
Lewis.
Courtney
here for
Court
Hendricks.
Coates? Did they just change their name?
Yes, hi. I'm sorry.
Turn your camera on, please, ma'am.
Okay. Hold on.
Yeah, that's. Yeah. I didn't know it was a Zoom.
All right, I'm gonna need to see your face, or we're gonna put you out.
I'm sure you see me.
Okay, very well. Ms. Coates, now, I wanna make sure you're in the right room.
340.
Okay.
Is that your full name, ma'am?
Yes.
Coates is the last name, right?
Yes.
You're supposed to be in 435, ma'am, not four. This is 434. So hang up
One,
and
three, five. Okay. Thank you.
5. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good day.
You too.
Can we get going? Oh, let me give him a shot. On you.
Morning, everyone. State of Michigan,
Judicial Court is now in session with Honorable John P. Perkins presiding. While you on Zoom, there'll be no eating, drinking, chewing gum, sleeping, laying down, driving. If you have a hoodie on, we ask you to remove it and your headgear. And keep your device on mute until your name is called. And with that being said, have a good day.
All right, good morning to you. Good morning to everyone.
Morning.
Let's, Madam Court Reporter, we'll start with you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Is it an interpreter you're in your meeting?
Yes, I'm sorry, Madam Interpreter. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor. Shalonda Heisley.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes.
All right, very well. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Eduardo Garcia Ramos, case number SB 142-70011.
La ciudad de Detroit contra Eduardo García Ramos, caso SP 142-70011.
That's Barry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Garcia Ramos. State your full name, sir.
Es señor Berry Jr. aquí representando a Eduardo García Ramos. Por favor, pronuncia su nombre en voz alta.
Eduardo García Ramos.
Eduardo García Ramos.
Hello.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Por el propósito de lectura de las cargos, vamos a negar de leer todos los detalles y no contestar.
And you're not guilty plea on your client's behalf, and we'll give your client a $0 bond. And at this time, we're going to dismiss the cases for being related to civil infractions.
En este caso, con la fianza de $0, vamos a desacatar los casos relacionados con este caso.
I'll also waive the warrant fee.
También las multas de los cargos de warrant.
All right, Mr. Garcia Ramos, if there's nothing further, your case is closed out. You paid 3 related civil infractions. Have a very good day, sir.
Señor Ramos, buena suerte. Todos los detalles conectados con su caso y las infracciones civiles, los 3 han sido descartados, están anulados y ya está cerrado su caso.
Muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you.
And thank you, Madam Interpreter. Very good to see you. We look forward. Wednesday, we have the interpreter in here may be added to that roster.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good morning.
Yeah, better one.
Okay, bye-bye.
Dala,
Yes, Your Honor.
who do you have again?
Your Honor, I have Mr. Lacey, and I believe Officer Hayward has joined the meeting room.
All right. Lacey is for a formal hearing. I missed that. Over civil infractions.
Yes, Judge.
Morning, Corporal Hayward.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You can join the room and speak with the lawyer unless you want the city attorney to talk.
I can speak with the city attorney.
You want to just speak with the city attorney?
Yes, I can do that.
Well, the lawyer, you'd rather speak with the city attorney instead of the lawyer, right? Instead of
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Okay, I'll put you in a rule 1 then.
Okay.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Javon Christopher Edward Lee, case number SP 1439261. State your name for the record, Mr. Lee.
How you doing? My name is Javon Lee.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I see you paid your obligation, so I'm going to dismiss the case now, all right?
All right, I'm good to go get my license, right?
You'll be able to get what?
My license. I'm good to go get my license.
I wish you would have gotten it. I don't think anything down here is preventing you from getting your license. I thought you would have gotten that. I thought you would have known that when you left the last time. Let me make sure. All right. Let me make sure. You don't owe anything else down here, do you?
No, I don't. I shouldn't.
Let's see. Yeah, everything else is closed out. All right. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
City of Detroit versus Jake Garrett. Case number is SP 128588883, SP 1388133, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Garrett.
Jake Garrett.
Today is the date and time set for a review. You indicated that you had the money, so you can pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone.
I was just confused. I was a little confused on how much you said I had to pay. When I got there, some other stuff popped up and I got confused.
It says $480.
So I have to pay $480?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you said to pay like 2 something or.
Well, you owe $240. If you want that misdemeanor dismissed, that's $240. Then you got 2 other tickets, defective equipment. Let me see what we wrote in the file. Yeah, 2 defective equipments. 120 apiece. $480.
Right.
That's what you were confused on, that other $240.
Yes,
when you gonna pay it, sir?
I can start making arrangements to pay off the 2, whatever. I got the money for that today. I can start making arrangements to pay the rest if you can know.
All right, pay the $240 today. I'll dismiss that misdemeanor. Then the other 2, that's on the one that says $240. The other 2, you pay it whenever that. Those are civil infractions, and you pay it when you get the money.
Oh, okay.
Make arrangements.
I can pay the $240 today, sir.
Well, pay it. Are you gonna pay it on the kiosk, or are you gonna come down to the courthouse and pay it?
I mean, the kiosk machine.
Well, when you pay it on the kiosk machine, I'll see it immediately.
Yes, sir.
All right. So.
Yes, sir.
Well, when are you gonna do that? What time are you gonna do that?
Well, I'm about to, as soon as I get off the phone, I can get on the bus and go. It don't take very long. It's gonna take about a few minutes to get to Myers.
Well, upload the kiosk app to your phone. All right.
I have to use this phone.
Call back in tomorrow then, and I'll dismiss the case if it's paid.
Okay.
Hey, do I need this phone, or do I have to use any other phone?
You can use any other phone as long as you can get on Zoom.
Okay. Yes, sir.
All right. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Yeah. City of Detroit versus Tiffany Nicole Sanderfield. Case number 19-524-9591. Appearance for the record, please. State your name for the record, please, Ms. Sanderfield.
Tiffany Garrett.
Tiffany Garrett or Tiffany
Yes,
Sanders?
I got married.
Oh, very well. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You paid your obligation.
Yes, sir.
And I'm gonna dismiss your case now. Well, let me make sure I said dismiss. Did I say I was gonna dismiss it?
Yes, you did. You said as long as I stayed out of trouble for 12 months.
Dismissed, all right?
Yes, and then I
Uh-huh.
also received my license. I have my driver's license as well. And then I also applied for my CPL, but with this case being open, I couldn't get it. So is there a way that you can help me out with that as well?
There's no way I can help you out except dismissing it. I don't know what more they're gonna need. That's it. I dismissed the case, so the case should be closed after today. So congratulations on your license.
Thank you.
And if there's nothing further, you have a very good day, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
City of Detroit versus Daquan Arturius Oliver Gant. Case number SP 1145092, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1145093-1. SP 115, strike that, SP 1145112, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 131-37061. SP 134-03041. SP 137-6259, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffin on behalf of the defendant. Sir, would you please state your name?
Daquan Gant.
Judge, this matters for pretrial.
All right, he needs to, it would help him out a lot if he took the driving course.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes.
The last time we spoke, you had me do the online course. I completed the online course, and I came and paid my reinstatement fee down at 36th District.
Do you have a valid license?
Pardon me?
Do you have a valid license?
No. You told me to come down and pay the $90 for my reinstatement fee, which I did.
Now, did you send me the completion of the course?
After I got done with the course, it said it'd email it itself. You said you will receive it. I want to have to send it to you.
I didn't get it. I got a Billy Gant, but you're not Billy Gant.
The 4-hour course, right? The driving course, online course.
Better drivers.
Yes.
I'm not disputing that you did it or not. I just want to show proof of this one ticket, no proof of insurance. Proof of insurance. Looks like he paid. Why didn't you go get a license?
Pardon me?
Why didn't you go get a license?
I'm going to get it today. I wanted to make sure I was clear.
Well, you need to come back with a valid license.
Okay.
And you need to give me that course. I'm going to put my name, my email address in the chat. Give me the certificate to that course. That was the purpose of me allowing you to pay those reinstatement fees up front back when you came last time, was to so that you can come in and so that you can get a valid license while these cases are open.
Right. Your Honor, I have it pulled up on my phone.
All right, I put my email address in the chat. See if you can email it to me, please.
Okay, let me try to find the chat. I'm emailing it right now as we speak. I just emailed it to you, Your Honor.
Okay, go get that license and come back. You'll get a better offer from the city if you have that valid license. And if you have some trouble, you say you're going today, you have an appointment today?
Yes, I can make an appointment today.
Make an appointment today, come back next, Monday or so?
Okay.
And then that way you can give us an idea of what's going on with, if you have some more trouble getting the license. It appears that you should be able to get that license with what you did by paying those reinstatement fees, but you can let us know Monday. Come back Monday morning. You were just like you did this morning. Come back Monday morning, all right? So we can see what's going on with that license.
Okay.
2023, May 8th, 2023 at 8:30, all right? And do you have a car?
Pardon me?
Do you have a vehicle?
No, I don't have my own vehicle.
Okay, come back Monday morning and then let us know whether you got that license or not, and then we can get you an offer. It's best if you have a license before you get an offer, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gant, I'll see you on Monday morning, all right?
Okay. And did you get the email or the certificate?
Not yet. It hasn't come through yet. Did you take a picture of it or something and send me the picture?
Yes.
It's probably gonna take a while for that picture to come through, if it comes through at all. See if you can go back there and send the actual document, but let's not worry about that. Let's get the license, all right?
Okay.
And you can work on sending me that documentation. You got the email address, just make sure you copy and paste it just as it is, because it's got that period in between my first and last name and stuff.
Yes, I see it.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, good luck to you on that license. Have a very good day.
Thank you. I'm going to take care of that today.
Okay, good. This is the city of Detroit versus Mark Anthony Lane, case number SP 11307622 Z8085601. And SP 1320981. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lane. State your full name, Mr. Lane.
Mark Lane.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive reading of the information and mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This is IBAC case. I am going to ask you, sir, are you going to try to hire a lawyer, or do you want the court to appoint you a lawyer on this?
I'll get a court-appointed lawyer.
I need a good phone number from you, sir.
313-587-7416.
5877416. As for purposes of arraignment, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. I'm not going to give him a $0 bond. I'm going to give him a $500 personal bond. And I want some testing 1 time per week, random. All right. We're going to get you over to probation. Phone number over there, just so you'll have it. It's 313-965-3414.
965. Okay.
I want to see if we can get some numbers. We're gonna see if we can get you a lawyer right now for this case. Sit tight, let me pass the matter.
Okay.
All right.
Your Honor, may I interrupt?
You may.
I see that Mr. Garcia Ramos,
Yes, tell him he's done.
can I tell him to leave?
Yes, please.
Señor Garcia Ramos, ¿me escuchas? Señor Ramos, puede salir. Puede salir ahora, ¿ok? Señor Garcia Ramos, puede salir, ¿ok? Los casos son cerrados. Hasta luego.
Thank you. I was gonna ask you that. This is the city of Detroit. Is that Akia Gordon?
Yes, sir.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Akia Gordon. Case number SP 11929-521, SP 13778-101, and 163003-621. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Would you please, ma'am, state your name?
Akia Gordon.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the matter.
We'll waive any more formal reading of the information or complaint, Your Honor, and stand mute for that purpose.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. This is, I'm gonna close out, it appears, this 16 case. It appears that Ms. Gordon has satisfied whatever she needed to satisfy. I wonder why that's still sitting open. 16 3003621. Can I get that something, please? Close that out. We're dealing with two allowings. Offers pleading to one, dismissing the other, $240 fine. Put you in a breakout room with a very good lawyer, Mr. Baughman, speak to him about it, please. You have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Tadala, did you and counsel work out your issue?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready when the court is.
And one more time, Lacey.
That's correct,
Lacey.
Judge.
Good morning to you, Ms. Schneider.
Good morning, Your Honor. The offer on Lacey is to plead a one count of blockading and dismiss the other count, and Corporal Hayward is still in breakout room 1.
Lacey's file?
Yes.
Is it Norris Lacey?
Yours, please. City of Detroit versus Norris Ricky Lacey, case number SB 1449118, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, respectfully, Samuel Jadala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lacey with the authority to enter into this plea on his behalf.
Hayward, can you put your can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Barry Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
Right. We have a resolution, which would be pleaded as a civil, should be a trial.
Yeah, so this, you should have sent it to the
That would be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic, and then $175. We'll waive your client's presence if this is a civil infraction, and you indicated that you had the authority to come to have. So, blocking traffic, amended count, and dismissing the count 2. You want to take the deal, stipulates the basis of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that response.
So stipulated, Judge.
Stipulate the proper cause for dismissal of the matter.
So stipulated, Judge.
How much time your client can get it paid by the 25th of this month?
That will be fine, Judge.
All right, Mr. Devallo, very well. Have a very good day, sir.
To you and your staff, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And Corporal Hayward, good to always see you. Have a very good day. You be safe out there, all right?
Pleasure is mine, Judge. Thank you.
Take care.
We're going to wait on Mr. Lane to get, see if we can get you appointed counsel right now. Ms. Catherine Glenn, you have another, officer is going to have another 22 minutes or so to check in. And if they don't check in, then we'll get you out of here. That's the trial. And then that brings us down to Lewis. Rashida Lewis.
Yes, I am here.
She has other documents.
City of Detroit versus Rashida Karima Lewis, case number SP 1347607, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearing for the record, please.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Lewis. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
My name is Rashida Karima Lewis.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Apparently, this comes to us as a mistake on our part. Is that what Ms. Mattis is telling me? Can I get that? Thank you. You were here before, Ms. Lewis?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes, sir. I'm sorry. Yes, sir.
That's all right. And you had documentation. Do you still have the documentation? I think
Yes,
I remember
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Let's see what you have.
Am I allowed to share my screen?
Just hold the document up and turn your background on.
I have a screenshot because I'm logged in from my phone. I wasn't able to log in from my computer. So I took a screenshot of the insurance. I can show you my license, but I have a screenshot of the, you know what? Okay. Hold on, sir. I can try to get it. I couldn't print it.
What?
I'm going to turn my screen around.
Yes. She said, from our conversation, she said she still has valid documentation. She said she came to court in front. She showed you that's supposed to be dismissed. For some reason, we set the show cause. And she said she went on YouTube. She saw it on YouTube. And She's back today. So, and this is the officer on my
Oh, let me turn my background on.
Okay, thank you so much. Just how you doing, James?
Can you see it, sir?
Okay. All right, I'm gonna dismiss the matter, provide valid documentation. We'll get it right this time, Ms. Lewis. All right. Sorry for the inconvenience. All right, Ms. Lewis, you're all right. We'll dismiss the matter for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Sorry for the inconvenience.
That's okay. Do I leave now?
You can leave.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Ms. Lewis.
You're welcome, and thank you for your patience, Ms. Lewis.
Absolutely.
Have a good day.
City of Detroit and the State of Michigan versus Eves Godwin. Case number SB 1127636. Council 1 and Council 2 and SX 364-36461. Appearance for the record, please.
Morris Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Goodwin. State your full name. Godwin, sorry.
State your name, Mr. Godwin. Unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please. Did he leave? He sent me a message. Sent a message. Is this a driver's license thing? Run his license, please. All right, let's pass that matter. Tiffany Garrett was Tiffany Sanford. C was Courtney James Lake. Does he need to speak to me now?
Do you want to talk to the judge?
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, the defendant is going to waive rights to any further hearings or trials, as well as those rights attendant to those. She's been advised. He's going to make a factual basis today, according to the plea recommendation. And I'm going to stipulate to probable cause on her behalf to ratify that agreement. Thank you.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gordon?
Yes.
All right, let's go, let's see, where's Ms. Gordon, Gordon's file?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I'm trying to find your file. I don't even have your file. All right, let's pass the matter momentarily. Who's on the iPhone?
They're on Zoom. They're on YouTube.
Who's that? The hat on, sir, that just let in the room?
I'm in a work truck, Judge. I can barely hear you.
What's your name?
Godwin, Godwin.
All right, I just called. Okay, hold on a second.
You said kid.
All right, let's pass the key at Gordon one more time. Let's go back on the record with Godwin. Mr. Godwin, can you state your name for the record, please?
He is Godwin.
All right, this is a case that has 2 driving infractions with no license and 1 misdemeanor insurance. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
Yes, I do.
Let's see what you have, please.
That's inside my car. I'm inside a work truck right now.
Well, we got to see it to dispose of the cases. So you want to come back another day, or what do you want to do?
I'll come back
Monday
in a few
morning?
hours there.
What time are you talking about?
About 1.
No, 1's not gonna get it. Come back Monday, well, you can come back tomorrow morning with it. I got
All right,
you.
I'll come back tomorrow.
I have your license here.
Okay.
It's valid. So we need to see insurance. I'll set the pretrial for tomorrow, 5, Cinco de Mayo.
Okay.
All right, come back in the morning first thing, and then we can show that insurance. We'll close the matter out.
Judge, on the key,
Okay.
previously your warrant status, I sent the email, cashier set a date for.
Okay, so let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Now, Ms. Gordon, I don't have the actual file here. Do you still want to go ahead with the plea?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Corporal Hoyt. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. We did have Ms. Snyder is here, so I'll let you do. And we have your defendant as well, Catherine Glenn. So, all right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. I'll try to see if we can make a factual basis without the file. These are 2 counts of allowing. All right. So look, can you raise your right hand, Ms. Gordon? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bachman in the breakout room went over some of your other advice and rights, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any question about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you're going to be giving up those rights when you take this plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Okay, let me draw your attention back to the day after my birthday, October 3rd, 2022, at around 5:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit. Did you own a 2018 Ford on that day?
A 2018 Ford, yes.
Did you allow somebody to drive that Ford?
No.
Okay, we got to go to trial. Unless you can, in order for you to be found guilty of this or take this plea, ma'am, you have to have allowed this person to drive this vehicle. It's as charged, allowing. And then you have to know that this person, if you did allow this person, you'd have to know that this person does not have a valid driver's license. So
Your Honor, may I voir dire the witness?
you may, I mean, she's already said though, the first basic element, that she didn't allow that person to drive.
One simple lead up question and then perhaps another.
All right.
Miss Gordon, you remember discussing this matter in the breakout room with me?
Yes, I thought it was for the one in like 2021.
Okay.
Let's go draw your attention to April 27th, 2021 at around 11:36 a.m. in the city of Detroit. And that day, did you own a 2016 Chevy?
Yes.
You just keep upgrading, don't you? I'm not mad at you, Miss Gordon. So Mr. Barry got choked up on that one. You all right, Mr. Barry? So, did you allow somebody to drive that vehicle on that day?
Yes, my brother, he had dropped me off at work.
And did you allow your brother to drive that vehicle knowing that your brother didn't have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Satisfied.
That's quick. You gonna let your brother tear your new car up and the insurance company's not gonna pay you or nothing if he tears it up because he doesn't have a license. I guess you just go get you another one, won't you?
No.
I'll scroll all over this stuff. All right. All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty as charged. $240, ma'am, I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, $240, Ms. Gordon, when can you pay it? Ms. Gordon, did she freeze up?
Yeah.
I think she's frozen. All right, let's go with City of Detroit versus Catherine Dominique Michelle Glenn, case number SP 109-26121. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Miss Glenn. State your full name, Miss Glenn.
Catherine Glenn.
She must not like her full name.
Oh, Catherine Dominica Michelle Glenn. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. All right. Today is the date and time set for trial. I had Corporal Floyd here. He gave a note to Madam Schneider, and the note says that there is no recollection. So I'll dismiss the case, no recollection. I'll waive the warrant fee. You'll have to pay the $45 reinstatement fee, Ms. Glenn, all right?
Okay, Your Honor.
Nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, let's go back on the record. Miss Gordon got frozen there. Miss Gordon, $240. When can you pay it?
I could pay it today.
Flush with cash.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
It's just me making silly comments, ma'am. I said you're flush with cash.
No, not at all.
Ms. Gordon did mention the possibility that she would be wanting to do community service, Your Honor. I did mention the Southwest Community Justice Center. She indicated she was willing.
Do you want to go to the Southwest Community? I see you're all the way on the east side. You want to go to the Southwest Detroit Community? Well, let me ask you, do you want to do community? Miss Sherry, you're not driving in my courtroom. I'm going to put you out.
No, sir, I am parked.
Sure doesn't look like it. Think she's lying to me. You want to do community service, ma'am?
I don't have a problem doing it. I was just
no. You can either pay or do community service. 12 hours of community service or pay the $240. One or the other. We'll close them out on completion of one or the other.
I could do the community.
Now, do you want me to get somewhere in your area? Or do you want to go over to Southwest Detroit? I think she's frozen again.
I think her preference, Your Honor, after talking to her on information and belief, is that she would probably be better off to do it in Detroit and work that out with Ms. Green. But she is going to do it in Southwest if that would please her.
It's up to her, whatever she wants to do.
Her choice would be, I'm sorry to interrupt, forgive me.
No, I can let her do either or. It doesn't matter to me. But she continues to get her device continues to
Can you hear me?
here you're back, Miss Gordon?
Yes, I said I would, if I could get somewhere closer, I would take
Okay,
that.
let's get you to Miss Green. Let's get to Miss Green. I need you to take this number down.
I'm sorry, I can't hear.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, 313-965-8130.
Okay.
And then I need a phone number from you.
313-556-4784.
I'm gonna have you back in 30 days, all right?
Okay.
On June the 5th. What we'll do is we'll try to refer to Miss Green, and we're gonna give Miss Green your number. You should hear from her by next week. If you don't hear from her by next week sometimes, you either give her a call or Zoom back in, okay? And we can get that straight. I got 12 hours of community service. When you do that, I'll dismiss the case, okay?
Yes, sir.
If there's nothing further, Ms. Gordon, have a very good day. The best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lake, James Lake. Do we still have James Lake here?
Yes, Lake Lapse.
Is that Lake Lapse or James Lake?
No, Lake Lapse.
Lapse. Let's see. I didn't see that. I don't think I saw it on the document. Lake Lapse. The last name is Lapse. Mr. Lapse?
Lee. Lapse Lee.
All right, and the first name is Lake?
Yes.
Deshaun.
845, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Lake Deshaun Lapse, case number SP 1280662, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Lapsley. State your full name, sir.
Lake Lapsley.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea. Your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Do you have insurance for this vehicle, sir?
Yes.
Can I see it? Slide it over to your right for me, please. Okay, very well. All right, what about this improper equipment? Pay $120 for this improper equipment. It may be some tinted windows on there or something.
Was that on the same ticket?
On the same ticket, you got a dirty, obscured, improper display of plate, and no insurance, and a tenant window. I'll dismiss the no insurance and the improper plate for pleading to the tenant windows, $120. You have an absolute right to a trial if you want to go to trial on it.
I just pay it and get it over with.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on behalf of your client, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right. $120, Mr. Lapsley. When can you pay it?
Today.
All right, I'm going to give you until, let's just say, to have it, and I'll give you 1 week just to make sure you pay at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you come down to the courthouse and pay that in person. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone. I'll give you till the 9th of next week. Make sure it's in here, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right, you too.
All right. On the telephone at 313-624-7822. What's your name, please?
Eddie Gaylor.
Gaylor?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Eddie Gaylor, case number SP 1434401, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boston for the defendant. Sir, state your
Mr. Gaylor, state your name for the record, please.
Eddie Gaylor.
All right, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes.
Run this license for me, please.
Say that again.
I'm gonna run the license, make sure it's valid. If the license is valid, I'll offer you an amended count of blocking traffic for this failure to stop ticket, and it will be a $175 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial as well, and that's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. And you can speak to the lawyer about it if you like.
Okay.
Let me just see if the license is valid, sir.
All right.
Well, I can ask you if the license is valid, you want to take the deal?
Yeah, to pay the $175.
Yes. All right,
Yes.
I have a valid license. So 175, we'll close it out. It's just a civil infraction. No points, does not abstract to the Secretary of State.
Okay.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated. Thank you, Your Honor. And I stipulate the probable cause to the matter being dismissed.
Very well. Fine and responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic, $175. Mr. Gaylor, where can you pay it?
Sunday at the kiosk. I just question. You just punch your name up in there and it pop up or something?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I can do it Sunday.
All right, I'm going to give you until the 9th of next week, Tuesday, to make sure it's in there. When you put it in the kiosk, it should go through immediately, so it'll close it out itself. So if it's nothing further, Mr. Gaylor, the best of luck to you. Have a great day, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right. City of Detroit versus Grace Stafford, Nicobe Gill. Did I get the pronunciation right, ma'am? Probably not.
Christopher Gould.
Christopher Gould, okay. All right, sir, I'm sorry. City, case number SP 1318113, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 133666051. SP 135110001. SP 1443052. SP 1447531, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1447924. State of Michigan versus Christopher Gould. Case number SX 4012635. Appear to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Gould, please state your full name for the record.
Christopher Gould.
And you need to turn your camera on, sir. All right, today is the date and time set for
Pre-trial judge.
and the show cause another one, so we're gonna give them all a one-stop shop. He's got trials, it's gonna show cause is set for all different days, so this is gonna be we're gonna consolidate all of these. Go ahead.
So as to those matters for which the defendant appears for arraignment, please accept a not guilty plea on his behalf for that purpose.
All right, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea in the client's behalf, give the client a $0 bond. Why don't you speak with him in a breakout room? This is one drag racing matter, is a state case.
Yes,
I don't know what they do on those. He's got multiple driving license suspended, operating on ORV on highway, and he has multiple moving violations. So, speak with him, and then we'll find out what he wants to do.
Thank you.
All right. Let's move on to the city of Detroit. Lexus Littleton.
Here.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, you need to turn your camera on. Pass that matter. City of Detroit versus Marlene Gilliam. Case number SP 1432546, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, ma'am.
Marlene Elizabeth Gillum.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We have Officer Turner. Hearing no response. Go ahead, counsel.
Motion is for dismissal, Your Honor, there being no complaining witness.
I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. No officer. Something further, ma'am. Have a very good day.
Thank you so much. You as well.
All right, thank you. All right. Ms. Littleton, you got the camera worked out? No, not yet. 573-8253. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. *6 to unmute yourself, please.
What did we just do with Christopher Gould?
Gold is, yeah, he's in the breakout room with Boffman. I'm sorry, Miss.
No, that's fine. Thank you.
753-82. Oh, is that Lexus Littleton? All right, let's go. Did we call Lexus Littleton? This is the city of Detroit versus Alexis Dolores Littleton.
No, it's just Lexus. It's just Lexus.
So it's not Dolores?
No, you said Alexis. My name is just Lexus.
I said Lexus. I thought I said Lexus.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's
Well,
okay.
is it Delois?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lexus Delois Littleton, case number SP 1435507, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Littleton. State your full name for the record, Ms. Littleton.
Lexus Littleton.
All right, today is the date and time set for I thought I saw pre-trial. Ms. Littleton, do you have valid insurance?
No, I no longer have the vehicle.
Do you have a vehicle?
No, I don't. I no longer have a vehicle, but I do have valid driver's license. But no,
Yeah.
sir.
You have an improper here, Miss Snyder, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, what do you want to offer Ms. Littleton? She has the disregarding the red signal, careless driving, and no insurance misdemeanor.
I would offer a limited access 11 to 15 over on the careless, dismiss the other two.
What does that bring it down to? 1 point?
It's 2 points, Your Honor.
All right, 11 to 15, limited access. There's going to be 2 points on your driver's license, ma'am. If she takes the driving course, does it get any better for her? Ms. Snyder?
I'd want to look at the factors on the ticket, Your Honor, of what exactly led to the careless driving. I think if she took the class, I would make a different offer. I can't say what the offer would be.
No factors on the ticket, just no response at all. Disregarding officer's signal. So she's got two. Let's set a trial date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's set a trial date. I'm going to put this class in the chat, Miss Littleton. Just in case you want to take it.
I'm not sure I'm not sure how to access the chat.
I'll show you in a second. As it stands, all right, if you go to the bottom of your device down there, you should see a chat. If you tap the screen, you should see a chat thing. Take a screenshot of that. When you open that up, you'll see the conversations that I just sent you, the better driver's course. Take a screenshot of that. You see it?
Yes.
If you can take a screenshot. Now, this is up to you. Here's what's going on. With this, initially, I thought it was running a red light or running a stop sign and a careless driving. But when I looked into it further, you got 2 misdemeanors, 1 no insurance and 1 disregarding an officer's signal. So apparently the officer felt that he was trying to stop you, correct you in some sort of way, and you did not abide by it. So usually on those, we bring the officer in to get their version of their events. And you'll have a chance to give your version of the events and things like that. But you also have this.
Huh?
All right. Well, don't speak. Don't speak yet. I will put you in a breakout room with your lawyer. I'm just giving you the overview. All right. So you have this careless driving, and the careless driving, as it stands, is a 3-point offense. The city attorney, when she as well thought that it was just 2 civil infractions, she was going to reduce it down to a 2-point offense. By taking the better driver's course, say you get found responsible for the careless driving, then she would be willing to reduce it further if you took the course potentially. So that's why I give you that option to do so. I'm gonna set a trial date for July the 14th, 2023. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with the lawyer and he can explain things further and you can run by what you were gonna say to me, okay?
Okay.
All right, who's on this one?
I am, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Berry is gonna be waiting in the breakout room for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me. Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. How you doing, Mr. Lawson?
Great, great.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gould. Mr. Gould, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Judge, the defendant has not had an opportunity to attend Better Drivers. I have advised him and given him the information. He's asking for a return date, please, a pretrial. He does have another action date tomorrow in Warren, and he expects that perhaps he can come back with his license. And if possible, Your Honor, would you allow him to pay any reinstatement fees that he has for any civil infractions or misdemeanors, no insurance cases, so that he could probably come back with a license?
I don't see anything that he owes here that will affect him getting a license from the 36th District Court.
Okay.
I just say that, hey, why don't we just go straight to trial on this, because it's going to give him a lot longer than the pretrial. It'll give him an extra month, because I have a pretrial date of 6/16. I have a trial date of 7/14. Now that's up to him whether he wants to do it or not, but we can have, we can get some resolution. This.
Well, Your Honor, the defendant, it's in the best interest of the defendant not only to have more time, but to set the matters for trial. And as much as the reckless driving cause of action really is going to need the officer to settle it.
The drag racing, it's not reckless, it's drag racing.
Yes, Your Honor.
That is ORV operating on a highway.
Both
You understand what's going on, Mr. Gould?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what do you want to do? Do you want to set it for trial or you want a pre-trial date? It's like Burger King, you have it your way.
Set it for trial.
All right, 7/14, July 14th, 2023, 9 a.m. We'll get some resolution on that day. That'll give you some months to get that driver's license together. Hopefully you come back with a valid license. Okay?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, it was July 13th?
July 14th.
All right, 14.
All right.
All
Nothing further, have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right, that gets me down, Spencer, that gets me down to Mr. Spencer Lawson. City of Detroit versus John Stable. We had another one. Nicholas John Stable. Got another one. It's all type of people in this world. I knew that was coming, Miss Williams Law. That's why I had my remove right there.
I let my guards down.
Yep.
Crazy.
See what Jeffrey Lee is on the docket. Let's see if he's on the docket. Yes, he's on the docket. All right. This is the city of Detroit. This city of Detroit versus Spencer Lewis Lawson. Case number SP 1147490, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1147491, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1214554, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Spencer Lawson.
Let's go. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do you have valid registration, insurance, and a? Let's start off with valid registration, insurance, and a license. Do you have those documents, sir?
I sure do.
You do?
Yes.
Pull out the registration and insurance. Ms. Mathis, can we run Mr. Spencer Lawson's license, please? We'll pass the matter. We'll get the license up, and we'll see from there. Let's see the insurance and registration.
Well, I have it from the time from the infraction, and I do have new insurance too. You know, from
Let's
back.
See the new insurance.
Can you see me? Okay.
Yeah, just hold it up and hold it still.
That's gonna be
Look to
hard.
your right a little bit. To your right a little bit, and then hold and go up. It's not doing very good.
Back it up just a little, sir. Zoom it in a little.
Yeah, she's not doing very good.
Can you, how about,
go up?
is that a tablet that you're on, or is it a phone?
Yeah, it's a tablet.
Okay.
Not a very good camera on there, I guess, huh? His license is valid. I'm looking for an expiration date.
24th, July 11, 2024. Maybe this is better. Look at this one, the insurance. How's that?
Hold it up, go up. You had it nice. It looked like we can see it. That's 2023. Expiration date.
The driver's
And what date
license.
is that? What date is that? What date is that?
What date is-
Expiration date. All right, but there, hold it up, pull it up.
Is that good?
That's 1/11/20. Put the other one up that way.
7/11.
Oh, that was 7/11? All right, very
That's what I
good. That's
saw.
good enough. It's coming through a lot clearer when you push it closer. Let's see the registration, sir. All right, pull it, push it up, pull it up, and pull it over to your right. Over to your right. Okay, very well. All right, now Ms. Snyder, I have 1, 2 civil infractions, expired plates, no registration. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 misdemeanors. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 misdemeanors. 1 driving expired. I got a driver's license expired. I have a valid license. 2 no insurance misdemeanors. 1 unregistered, untitled, and 1 allowed.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. Since he is in compliance, I would ask that he just plead to the allowing with the dismissal upon payment, dismiss the balance.
All right. That's the offer, sir. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with an attorney. Speak with them about it.
Okay.
All right. Who's on this one?
This is.
All right. Join the room, please, sir. Allowing $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. All right, let's move on to Sherry's iPhone. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Littleton. Miss Littleton, did you get all your questions answered, ma'am?
Yes.
We're gonna set that trial date for July the 14th, 2023, okay? Come back at 9 a.m. on that date, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
Have a very good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You as well. Bye-bye.
Oh. Sherry, driving on the phone, iPhone. Unmute yourself, please.
Yes, I'm here.
What is your,
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
name again? Say that. Say that again. What's your last name?
Gillian. Gillian.
I see.
Okay. Okay, that's fine.
This one.
All right, thank you.
What else you got? Everything going on. Driving, handling some other business, all kind of stuff.
I'm in the hospital.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you okay?
I'm just blood work. I'm okay.
All right. All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Sherry Brianna Gillian, case number SP 1171296, counts 1 and 2. SP 1270530, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 1367382, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1367381, SP 1471311. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Gilliam. Please state your full name, Ms. Gilliam.
Sherry Brianna Gillian.
Please tell me you have a valid license, ma'am.
Yes, sir, I do.
Run her license, please. All right, today is the date and time for arraignment on the bench warrant. We'll call it arraignment on the bench warrants. Go ahead, counselor.
Your Honor, the defendant would stand mute.
enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm gonna check this license, see what it says, what it reads. Isam Ali, is that a lawyer? Or is that one of those people that are coming to bomb the room again?
Probably not a lawyer.
Okay, it looks as though he is a defendant. All right, let's go, licenses, that's Spencer Lewis. I need.
Oh, you said get, okay.
Gilly.
Excuse me.
Yeah, then you gave me Spencer Lewis's license.
You want to see why?
I did, okay.
Why is that school?
Isam Ali,
Yes.
do you need an interpreter, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who is that?
Special agent. Sheriff Sherry Gillen.
All right, she has a valid license.
Yes, special agent virtual.
Oh, give me 1 minute. Let me get a few minute recess.
You don't want to be ready, right? Go ahead. For Lauren?
When you even talking shit, Lisa, buff ass nigga, and just fucking live, let go. Don't let nobody do you like that. Not the whole book.
Okay, I'm sorry about the delay. Let's go with let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Judge, the defendant would ask for a waiver trial by Zoom at this time. So I'm considering that the defendant had brought in valid documentation on about 2/3 of the case. My question on the allowed licensed driver to drive, the defendant indicated to me that was done, and
All right, you're breaking up, Mr. So let me say this, and we can give him a trial date if he wants to. But I'm looking at the old thing now, and at that time, he had a trial date. We gave him an opportunity to come back with some documents. And he was supposed to come back with some documents. Corporal Baker showed up and Adams showed up. And I told him improper plate and allowing. So dismiss the balance. And so it actually got better for him. But if he wants the trial date, then, you know, I don't know what more.
This is let me just put it succinctly, Judge. The defendant indicates that the driver of the vehicle in question on the allowing charge is now current and valid. And I don't know that we would be able to look that up here today, but at the next action date, that would clearly be appropriate. I understand, according to conversation with the defendant, is that he would thereby be compliant on all cases. That the person who was pulled over on the date in question was in fact directly related to him and will be appearing at the trial with valid license. And if that would please the prosecutor, just to see that today, if we could look that up or somehow find that information, it would please me too. But I don't see it any other way but to set it for trial.
Well, we do have a name,
right?
Brigona Lawson, but that's up to the Madam Prosecutor. Madam Prosecutor, go ahead.
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I would ask that the matter be set for trial. My understanding, based on the tickets, is that Mr. Lawson did not have these documents at the time. The dismissal, because he has now come into compliance, is a courtesy that we do for judicial expediency. It's not something we're required to do. I think the offer he was given is more than fair, and ask that we set it for trial.
Yeah, respectfully, let me go back in the breakout room and adjust our perspective. I appreciate what Corporation said, and I just want to talk to Mr. Lawson about it. Can you give me a couple more minutes with him?
Oh, certainly. Go ahead.
Thank you.
I'd be willing to switch the offer to an improper plate. I don't know if that would be easier to make a factual basis.
Okay.
I don't think so, because I think that it probably was suspended at the time. I mean, whether Mr. Lawson knew it or not would be one, but you figure that out with your client, counsel.
We'll get proper plate better, just for the record. Mr. Lawson, please join me back in room 2. I'll see you there.
All right. Did we call the case of Sherry Brianna Gilliam? This,
Yes.
We did call the cases into the record?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Sherry, or Mr. Lawson, you gotta go rejoin that breakout room. It's a way that you gotta touch the screen, it should populate, and you can go right back in that room.
Chat room, maybe?
No.
Breakout room.
Breakout. I see it. I see it. Breakout. Okay, I got it.
All right. All right. So let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillian. She has a valid license. What about registration and insurance? Ma'am?
Yes, I'm here.
What about registration and insurance? Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I had the valid registration at the time, but the insurance was not on the car. It's my son's father's car, but it's registered to him. And it.
You drove today. Do you have
Yes, sir.
do you have valid registration and insurance on that vehicle?
I have valid registration, yes, but there's no insurance on the vehicle.
All right. You want an offer, or do you? Well, we'll get you an offer. You can take the offer if you want. Madam Schneider, can you?
Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I believe you said Madam Defendant had 3 tickets, and I would think it would be only the insurance outstanding.
No, she's got way more than 3. She has an allowing, a no insurance misdemeanor, unregistered, untitled, improper plate, no insurance misdemeanor. Then she has a no ops in a construction zone and a driving while license suspended. And then 2 civil infractions, one 11 to 15 over, and the other no insurance civil infraction proof.
Okay, I would do the offer as an improper plate on one of the no insurance. I'll dismiss the license tickets, and I would take the speeding down to a limited access 1 to 5 over.
All right, improper plate is a $240 fine. That one doesn't carry any points, and I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment. Limited access on what? Which one?
1 to 5.
1 to 5. Okay, limited access 1 to 5 for the speeding ticket. That does abstract. It doesn't carry any points, but it will abstract, and it'll be a $125 fine with the balance dismissed. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, speak with the lawyer. He can go, if she wants to take the deal, he can go over her advice or rights. If she doesn't, I'll give her a trial date. Join the room, please, ma'am.
May I ask, so it's limited 1 to 5 and the other is?
It's an improper plate.
Okay,
so
got it.
$240 dismiss upon payment and $125.
Okay, thank you.
All right, what are we gonna do with Mr. Lawson? Are we ready to go back on the record with him? What happened to Mr. Lawson, Mr. Baughman? We lost him?
He is going to sign back on. I do have his phone number. He's been contacting me by phone. So he should be coming back on right now. He excommunicated himself accidentally.
Let's go ahead. And does he want to take the deal?
Yes, he will take the improper plate. He's been advising and he's ready to make a factual basis when we get him back.
Oh.
All right, are we ready? Are we ready for Miss?
My bad, Your Honor. I did not go over her rights with her. I'd like the opportunity to do that. But for that, we're ready.
Rejoin the room, Miss Gillian.
The breakout room?
Yeah, rejoin the breakout room. He needs to go over some more of your rights.
Okay.
Okay. Isa, Khalid, Ali.
Yes, speaking. Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, you're supposed to be in, well, listen, he's supposed to be in here. It says he's supposed to be in here. It's set for trial. But I see what you mean.
I believe I was scheduled for 10:45.
You're supposed to be in Holmes.
Holmes?
Yeah, go to Shannon Holmes' courtroom.
Okay.
All right, do you know how to get there?
Yeah, I'd have to go back on the 36th district page to
Right,
see.
go to Shannon Holmes' courtroom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, what about, we never got anything. We never got anything from, Judge Carter for,
Hold on, let me see, let me check.
all right, let's go with the city of Detroit versus Jeffrey Scott Lee. Oh, he has a, who's on the phone there at 248-747-1629? Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? Press *6 to unmute yourself on the phone. *6 to unmute yourself on the phone, 248-747-1629. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Spencer Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. What does Mr. Lawson want to do, counsel?
Judge, the defendant is going to waive rights to any further hearings. He's going to settle the matter. The for him to plead to the reduced charge of improper plates at 0 points. He'll pay the fine for that, and all the matters will be closed on his behalf. I stipulate to probable cause as to any matters that are being dismissed to the court and the prosecutor.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Lawson?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down, sir. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by Mr. Lawson went over some of your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
Will you be giving up those rights if you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You got to speak up, sir.
No.
Please. All right, let me draw your attention back to December 21st, 2020, around 2:44 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Florence. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle, a 2002 Audi?
Yes.
Did that officer ask you to produce valid insurance on that vehicle?
He did.
You could not do so, could you, sir?
No.
And why is that?
Well, I told the officer that I had just pulled the car out of storage.
Didn't have valid insurance, correct?
No.
All right, very well. I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plates. That's going to be a $240 fine as a misdemeanor. It doesn't carry any points or any abstraction at, with the Secretary of State. And I told you I would dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment of the $240. With the stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss all the other matters.
Thank you, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, $240, Mr. Lawson, when can you pay it?
Yeah. I could pay 140 today and 140, well, Friday. I'll pay 140 Friday, 140 next Friday. I mean, 100 next Friday.
Okay, so I'll just give you 2 weeks. Just you can pay it on that kiosk any kind of way. I'll give you till May the 25th, 2023 to pay it. Come back on that morning, May 25th, 2023, and we will dismiss the matter if it's paid. All right.
So can
or if it's paid, you don't have.
You say what? Huh?
If it's paid, you don't have to come back.
All right. Okay.
If it's not paid though, then I need to see you. But if it's paid, we'll close it out here. I'll see it up and I'll see it on the computer. If you pay it at the kiosk or if you pay it in person, we'll see it immediately. All right.
Okay.
All right. Any further questions, sir?
No. Nope.
All right. There's nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gillian. Ms. Gillian, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do? Unmute yourself, Mr. Berry, please.
She would avail herself of the offer, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Gillian?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over some of your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions about them?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights as well when you take this deal?
I'm sorry.
You know you'll be giving up those rights as well when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to October 29th, 2021 at around 3:43 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Davison and Ewald Circle, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry, did I what?
Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No. They're gonna love each other.
Keep talking right here.
I have one.
Okay,
Ms.
so
Lewis?
so the-
Ms. Lewis? I mean, Ms. Gillian?
Yes, I'm here.
Did you have an occasion on October 29th, 2021 at around 3:43 p.m. in the area of Davison and Ewald Circle? Did you have an occasion to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that day, were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle?
Yes.
What was wrong with them?
I I think they weren't registered.
They didn't go with that
It
vehicle,
was,
did they not?
they didn't go with the vehicle.
It says here that it was a plate from a Chevy Tahoe. A Chevy had a TA Chevy on the vehicle. Was the vehicle registered?
Yes.
It was registered. It had valid plates on the vehicle?
As far as I recall. Chevy Tahoe. I don't even have a Chevy.
It said it had a plate from a Chevy on there. It was a 2008 Land Rover.
Correct. That was my vehicle.
It was your vehicle, correct?
The Land Rover, yes.
All right, and it had a plate on there, MOMME4, Mommy 4.
That would be my mother's plate. I don't know how. Okay.
Was that plate on that vehicle that day?
I don't honestly recall.
Oh. Did you have valid insurance on that vehicle on that day?
Yes.
She's not, she says she has insurance. She says she doesn't recall
I don't have that vehicle anymore, but.
Yeah, we're talking about at the time when you did have the vehicle.
Right, right.
I don't know what to do with it.
Did you, Ms. Gilliam, did the plate?
Let me ask her. Miss Gilliam, you said that you own the Land Rover, right?
Correct.
And you said that that Mommy 4 plate is your mom's plate, correct?
Correct.
And does your mom have it? Did your mom have a Chevy at that time?
No, that's the confusing part to me.
Well, let's put it this way. That Mommy 4 plate, was that Mommy 4 plate? Did you ever put that Mommy 4 plate on your Land Rover?
I did not, but that doesn't mean that it wasn't on there.
Well, was it on your Land Rover at the time, Miss Gillian?
I believe so.
See, I'm thinking that she's just trying to evade responsibility.
Not at all.
I can't understand how you don't know. You own the Land Rover. How you don't know what plate is on there? What, somebody came in and took their plate off your car and put your mom came in and switched plates on you?
It might not have been her, but it's very possible, but that happened. But
why would that happen? Why?
I don't have a real answer for that. I'm not entirely sure.
See, I'm not even going to accept this deal. She doesn't want to accept responsibility to it.
I'm accepting responsibility. I'm just saying I was driving the vehicle, the plate was on there, but I didn't put it there.
No. Now you're telling me
driving the car.
Now you're telling me that the plate was on there. You've been telling me that you didn't know.
You're telling me that the plate was on there, so it was what, 2 years ago? I don't really remember, but if it's saying in the court that the plate was there, then absolutely. I don't really remember, but I'm taking responsibility for driving the car properly.
And in the court's eyes, accepting full responsibility is I mean, if you don't remember, you don't remember. But I first of all, I can't see how you don't remember, that you got stopped with this plate on your vehicle, and you say it's your mom's plate, you knew that, and you just end up, you don't know how this plate got put on your vehicle.
I don't remember. It was a lot of.
I don't understand that. I don't understand how you don't know that this plate got put on your vehicle. Talk to her in the breakout. Go back in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. Mr. Lane.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, I'm gonna just go ahead. We have your number. We're gonna fill out that request and hopefully they get back to you immediately. Because they're not, we're not able to get in contact with them now, all right?
Okay, do you think it'll be today?
What I do hope is that it's before your next court date. I can't tell you exactly when it will be. Do you have Lane's file? No, I just want to make sure that we have the proper documentation for him and that
You don't see it?
No, I don't yet, not yet. I'm not through all of them. What date did we give you to come back?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
What date did we give you to come back?
I didn't get a comeback date. I only got this court date.
It should be Mark Lane. I have the file. I gave it to you to get this. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
Oh, you get it. Okay.
All right, we didn't get it come. We didn't get it come. All right. You got the number to probation, correct? Let's go back on the record with Mark Lane. The number to probation is 313-965-3414. Pre-trial. Let's bring you back next week just to make sure that you got that lawyer.
Okay, next
bring
week.
You back, yeah, on the 11th of April. On the 11th of May. On the 11th of May, and that's just to make sure you got the lawyer, and the lawyer can make any kind of motions or that lawyer may need to make. All right.
Okay.
All right. So come back off pre-trial, and then we'll check to see. Hopefully, that lawyer has gotten in contact with you by then. All right.
Okay, and I'll come back on Zoom, correct?
Come back Zoom on May 11th, and then you should have by then. You should have gotten in touch with probation, and they should have at least had one test by then too. No drinking during the pendency of this case, all right? No leaving the state of Michigan unless you have court's permission, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Just come back next week on May the 11th. Have a good day, sir.
All right. You so.
All right, Jeffrey Lee, he's not connecting his audio. I sent him a message. I'm gonna put him out the room. Hopefully he reconnects.
While we wait for him, Your Honor, I wanted to let you know I'm going to be out of the office Friday, Monday, and Tuesday.
Oh, man.
I'm going to New York for a wedding.
Nice. Friday, Monday. So you took an extra long extra long weekend, right?
It's
I
a
would
Sunday
too.
wedding, actually. So it's not completely my fault, and it's at a campground in upstate New York. So it's a whole
Oh, not
process.
New York City, huh?
No, yeah. So I'm flying into Manhattan and then having to drive. So.
Oh, okay. Well, that sounds sweet.
Yeah,
All
so
right, Friday and Tuesday, are we gonna have Mr. Goss, or you don't know?
I don't know for sure who's going to be assigned. I can do, I know you like to pull a lot of old tickets. I didn't know if you thought it'd be worthwhile to do some pre-writing or just let them see who shows
I
up.
pretty much know your offers. If you don't, I can go with the flow, and if it's too much, if it's, you know, a lot of times I'll tell you, you get an offer for this, we can put them over for another date or set it for a trial.
Perfect. And I'll email, I know you guys have it, but I'll email Miss Mathis the office's number just so you can always call.
All right, that'll be great. That's, tell us how the wedding is. Hope you have a great time.
Perfect. Have a great weekend too. You guys stay safe.
All right. Mr. Lee is not connecting to audio. He has an improper plate and a no proof of insurance. 1953. So I believe he's gonna have a hard time connecting. Once Mr. Lee and this Lawson, Gillian one. I wonder if he has his, can he see us? I think he can see us. If he doesn't have his camera on. What's that? Well, let's give him shoot that message to him. This, he doesn't appear to be, you know, he's going to put the message in and tell him to call the court. Let's go back on the record one more time with Miss Gillian. I still don't understand how you don't know what's on your vehicle at the time. And I understand the fact that it was 2 years ago, but it doesn't, 2 years is not that long ago to not know that you have this plate that's not supposed to be on there. Apparently, according to what the police say.
Well, Your Honor, I just we were not able to find a bridge here. She was 4 months away from delivery of a child. The vehicle was in a household with 6 people, 6 drivers. Her vehicle was available pretty much to all of those people, and she does not know how this plate not associated with her car got on her car.
She indicates she had valid insurance at the time. She indicates that would lead me to believe that she has valid plates. So if somehow all of a sudden this mommy 4 plate ends up on her car for not even any reason at all in what she's saying.
Not any reason we could identify, Your Honor.
Not that I can't even think of any reasons. All right, I'm not going to take the plea.
No, what I was explaining to Mr. Berry was that my car was stored for a lengthy period of time. So for it to be pulled out at some point, for someone to decide to drive and slap a plate that whatever Tahoe, because there was not even a Tahoe there. So just slapping any plate that was laying around in my car is not something that's inconceivable in the household that I was in at the time. I don't know at what point that happened.
You're the one that's supposed to be driving this vehicle.
I wasn't driving at the time. I was very pregnant and not doing much of anything.
Okay, so now we really have a problem. Now she's indicating that she wasn't even driving the vehicle, but
for a lengthy period of time, it was still my vehicle, yes. And when I did drive it,
All right. So I thought it was a no valid driver's license, but it's unregistered, untitled, improper plate, no insurance. But yet you had insurance on the vehicle, you had a proper plate on the vehicle, but somebody just decided to take the vehicle.
No. As you asked if I had gone to the Secretary of State and done all of that, and I had. Now but after that, my car sat for almost a year.
In that year, did you? And this is the year of the 2021 at the time.
Correct. When I was pregnant.
And in that year, did you have valid insurance on the vehicle? And
I was not even driving. No, I was not driving.
That's not my question. My question is, did you have valid insurance or valid plates on the vehicle?
And I said no, because the vehicle was not being driven.
Okay, so that now we're getting down to it. You told me earlier that it was a valid insurance on the vehicle. And the vehicle, just because the vehicle is not being driven doesn't mean you don't have to have valid insurance and plates on the vehicle. If the vehicle is registered in your name, you have to have valid insurance and plates on the vehicle. Okay. All right, so now I will now I will accept the representation that it was not valid insurance on the vehicle at the time, or plates on the vehicle at the time, because that's not what you told me earlier. And I will,
I think I misunderstood what you were asking me.
okay, that's acceptable. Right, and I will find her guilty as charged to the improper plate. As it relates to the speeding ticket, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that response with plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, will you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissals of the other matters?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125, and for the improper plate, $240. I'll dismiss that upon payment. When can you pay $125 and $240, ma'am? When can you pay it?
2 weeks.
I'm going to give you until 5. You come back on the morning of the 25th, May the 25th. We'll close out. If it's paid, we'll dismiss the misdemeanor, and we'll close out improper, the limited access ticket. All right, May the 25th, 2023. I'm going to waive the warrant fees, and if it's paid that date, we'll close the matter out. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Chavez. Is this Chavez Lopez? Chavez Lopez? Do you need an interpreter, sir?
He has a translator right here.
All right. We need to get it. What is his name?
Tu nombre, di tu nombre completo. Tu nombre.
Walfred Orlando Chávez López.
Does he have a ticket number?
Could you say that one more time, please?
Does he have a ticket number?
Yeah, give me 1 second. Are you ready for the ticket number?
Yes.
All right, SP 14345691.
91?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have him come back on Wednesday morning.
Wednesday morning of next week?
Of next week on the 10th. We'll have an interpreter here at that time.
At 10, correct?
At 10.
Same codes login, correct?
Your Honor,
Yes,
you did not say at 10, you said on the 10th, right?
on the 10th, I'm sorry. On the 10th at 8:30.
Oh, you changing it to 10?
Yeah, we'll change it to the 10th.
All right.
Can you do that?
I'm about to request it right now. It'll be here on the 10th.
All right, come back on Wednesday morning at 8:30 on May the 10th. We'll have a interpreter here that morning.
Okay. Okay.
All right?
All right. Sounds good. Thank you so much for your time.
Have a great day.
You as well. Bye-bye. Okay.
I don't know if we're gonna get any resolution with Mr. Lee. Keeps, doesn't have his, device together. We put up the note. And I don't think he's looking, I don't know what's going on his end. If we had a phone number, that would be great. Let me see if it's a phone number on the ticket. No phone number.
Courtroom 332 has 5 trials they're waiting on a prosecutor for, so I'm going to log off and go help them. But Attorney
All right,
Baughman
have a
has my
great
cell.
weekend. We'll see you next week.
Perfect. Thank you
Have a
too. Stay
great
safe.
time.
Yeah, just
You
text
too.
me, Mr. Baughman, if you need anything. Bye, everybody.
I think we're gonna have to leave Mr. Lee out there for him to call the court or something. I've sent him multiple